你好，小朋友。今天陈老师请你和我在 Seesaw 上做一个英文的作业，所以陈老师和你说英文来讲这个作业。你们戴帽子，一二三，说英文。Alright, so last week in school, we learned about the English alphabet, right? And we learned about what are some vowels and what are some consonants in the English alphabet. So now I want you to take a minute to think about what are vowel letters in the alphabet. All right, if your answer is A, E, I, O, and U, you are correct. So these 5 letters are vowels in English. The letter Y, right over here, sometimes makes vowel sound as well, but mostly the main vowel letters in English is A, E, I, O, U. And the rest of the letters in the alphabet, we call them consonant. Okay, they're consonants. So we learned about vowels and consonants last week, and we also learned about some short vowel words. So for example, we learned about when a word has 3 letters and the first letter is a consonant. So for example, C is a consonant, right? And the middle letter is a vowel. And the last letter is once again a consonant, like the word cat, C-A-T, cat. We call those words CVC words because they're consonant, vowel, consonant words, right? So we learned that those CVC vowel consonant, consonant vowel consonant words are all short vowel words most of the times, right? For example, cat is a CVC word that is also a short consonant, short vowel words. And we learned that bed, B-E-D, is a CVC word, and it's also a short vowel word. And also like pig, CVC word, right? So pig is also a short vowel word. So we learned that most of the times if a word follows the format of consonant, vowel, consonant, like cat, bed, and pig, it is often a short vowel word. Okay, so now I want you to take a minute to think about, can I think of any other CVC word that is also a short vowel word? Take a minute to think about it. There are a lot of them out there. For example, like leg, like map, right? They're both CVC word that also short vowel word. So today on Seesaw, we are going to do some practice on short vowel words. So if you go to Seesaw, you will see this assignment that says November 4th, assignment 2, short vowel words in English. So you're going to click on this assignment, click add response, click your name. And this assignment has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. But don't panic. Page 1 through 7 are all very simple. They just have one word on them. So it should be relatively quickly for you to go through page 1 through 7. Page 8 is a little different, so I'm going to talk about page 8 in a little bit. So first, let's take a look at page 1. You will see some letters here and a picture here. So this is a picture of a leg, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the right vowel from the left to put in the middle. What vowel goes into the word leg? Is it A, E, I, O, or U? I think it's E because it's leg. So I'm going to put E right here. So L-E-G, leg. So L and G are both consonant. E is vowel, so it's a consonant, vowel, consonant, short vowel word, right? So page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is all basically the same thing. Just read the pictures and then find the right vowel for your word. Okay? Easy peasy. And page 8 is a little different. I'm going to change this a little bit so you can see. All right, so on the left, it says short A, short E, short I, short O, and short U. Now on the right, there are a bunch of words and a trash can. So what you're going to do is read through all of those words. And if you think, for example, map, I think the A in map is a short A. So I'm going to put it right over here. So pot, I think the O in pot is a short O. So I'm going to put it right here. And then I just go through all the list. And if I think a vowel or maybe two vowels in the words, for example, boat, the OA together, boat, I think that's a long O sound, boat, right? So it's a long vowel, but not a short vowel. I'm going to put it in the trash can because there's not a place for you to put long vowels, right? So for all the long vowel words, you're going to put it in the trash can. But for the short vowel ones, you're going to put it where it belongs. Okay? So the homework for today is to first practice finding the right short vowels and then sort the words out to see if it's a short vowel or a long vowel word. All right, so that's the English homework for today. Let me know if you have questions. Make sure to click this button when you're done with all 8 pages.